Ever wondered just how much power the Senedd has in Wales? Let's dive in. The Senedd can make laws in Wales on a range of areas, as long as those areas aren't managed by UK Parliament. That means it can legislate on things like health, education, transport, the environment, housing and local government. These are all things that affect your life in Wales directly and are managed separately to the way they're led in England, Scotland or Northern Ireland. But the Senedd doesn't just make laws, it also holds the Welsh Government to account, asks questions, challenges what they do and checks public spending. It also agrees some Welsh taxes, having a say in how money is raised and spent in Wales. What it can't do, and this is important, is make laws on reserved matters managed by the UK Parliament. These include topics like defence, foreign affairs, immigration, the constitution of the UK and most social security issues. In short, the Senedd has real power over most things you interact with day to day in Wales, and it also keeps the Welsh Government in check. Follow for part 3 to find out what do members of the Senedd do.